Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and launch a Shopify store? Well, in order to go ahead and launch a Shopify store, all you need to do is first things first, sign up for an account, add your products with great photos, and pick and customize a theme, set up payments like Shopify payments, configure shipping and taxes, connect a domain, create essential pages about and contact, then test everything and remove the storefront password to go live. So it is as simple as that. Now you might be wondering, what did I just say? All you need to do is simply head into Shopify right over here, click on Start Selling, click on Start for free, and you will get a 3 days free trial period. I already have an account. You can simply go ahead and log into your account. You're going to be taken to this page right over here. You can add all your payment membership and stuff like that. You could also customize on which or where you want to set up your store. Now, once you've already customized everything, you're going to be taken to this page right over here, and your online store is going to be right here, where you can simply go ahead and play around with your theme of the store right over here, and then you can start selling already. I hope this video clarified a lot. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.